Imagine waking up pain-free and energized, all thanks to a single natural oil. That's exactly what happened to Sarah, and today, we're diving into her life-changing experience with lemongrass oil. 1. Pain relief and anti-inflammatory remedy ingredients. 1. 10 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 2 tablespoons of carrier oil, e.g., coconut oil or jojoba oil. Instructions. 1. Mix the lemongrass essential oil with the carrier oil in a small glass bottle. 2. Gently massage the mixture into the affected areas 2-3 times daily. Explanation. Lemongrass oil contains citral and geraniol, compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These components help reduce swelling and alleviate pain by inhibiting the production of inflammatory markers in the body. Regular application can provide relief from conditions such as arthritis, muscle soreness, and general body aches. 2. Stress relief and mood enhancement blend ingredients. 1. 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 3 drops of lavender essential oil. 3. 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. 4. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters, of distilled water. Instructions. 1. Combine all essential oils in a small glass spray bottle. 2. Add distilled water and shake well before each use. 3. Spray in your room or on your pillow before bedtime, or use throughout the day as needed. Explanation. Lemongrass oil contains limonene, a compound known for its mood-enhancing properties. When combined with lavender, for relaxation, and bergamot, for uplifting, this blend creates a powerful aromatherapy remedy. The scent triggers the limbic system, which is responsible for emotions and memory, promoting relaxation and reducing stress hormones like cortisol. 3. Digestive aid massage oil ingredients. 1. 8 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 4 drops of peppermint essential oil. 3. 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Instructions. 1. Mix all oils in a small glass bottle. 2. Gently massage onto the abdomen in a clockwise direction for 2-3 minutes. 3. Use as needed, particularly after meals or when experiencing digestive discomfort. Explanation. Lemongrass oil has antispasmodic properties that can help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, reducing cramping and bloating. Its carminative effects also help expel gas from the intestines. Peppermint oil complements these effects by soothing the intestinal muscles and promoting healthy digestion. 4. Natural insect repellent spray ingredients. 1. 15 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 10 drops of citronella essential oil. 3. 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. 4. 4 ounces, 120 milliliters, of witch hazel or distilled water. Instructions. 1. Combine all essential oils in a 4 ounces glass spray bottle. 2. Fill the rest of the bottle with witch hazel or distilled water. 3. Shake well before each use and spray on exposed skin or clothing. Explanation. Lemongrass oil contains citronella and geraniol, compounds that insects find repellent. These natural chemicals mask the scents that are attractive to insects, making it harder for them to locate you. The addition of citronella and eucalyptus oils enhances the repellent effect, providing a natural alternative to chemical-based insect repellents. 5. Skin toner for oily and acne-prone skin ingredients. 1. 5 drops of lemongrass essential oil. 2. 1/4 cup of witch hazel. 3. 1/4 cup of rose water. Instructions. 1. Mix all ingredients in a glass bottle. 2. After cleansing, apply to face using a cotton pad, avoiding the eye area. 3. Use once or twice daily, followed by a moisturizer. Explanation. Lemongrass oil has astringent and antimicrobial properties that make it beneficial for oily and acne-prone skin. It helps to reduce excess sebum production and fight acne-causing bacteria. The astringent quality also helps to tighten pores, while witch hazel and rose water provide additional toning and soothing benefits, making this a well-rounded natural skincare remedy. Precautions and tips. 1. Always perform a patch test before using any new essential oil remedy. 2. Lemongrass oil is potent, so always dilute it properly before use. 3. Pregnant women, children, and those with sensitive skin should consult a healthcare professional before using lemongrass oil. 4. Store all remedies in dark glass bottles away from direct sunlight and heat. 5. For internal use, only use food-grade lemongrass oil and consult with a qualified aromatherapist or healthcare provider. Remember, while these natural remedies can be effective, they should not replace professional medical advice or treatment for serious conditions. Always consult with a healthcare provider for persistent or severe symptoms.